Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm your mentor, Pure Positivity Hub, and today, we're diving into something truly transformative: the art of styling our attitude. Our attitudes shape our lives, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with powerful ways to not only embrace a positive attitude but to style it in ways that can influence every aspect of your life. So, let's get started. 1. The attitude wardrobe. Just like we curate our wardrobes, it's essential to curate our attitude wardrobe too. Just imagine your attitude as a collection of outfits you wear daily. Start by assessing your current attitude style. Are you more inclined towards positivity or negativity? Choose the attitude that aligns with your aspirations and values. Remember, just like fashion, your attitude can make a statement about who you are and where you're headed. 2. The power of positive patterns. Next up, let's talk about patterns. Just like fashion trends, our attitudes can also follow patterns. Are your patterns lifting you up or holding you back? Identify those negative loops and replace them with positive ones. It might take time, but just as fashion evolves, so can our attitudes. 3. Accessorize with gratitude. Now, it's time to accessorize. And what better accessory than gratitude? Gratitude is like that perfect necklace that goes with every outfit. Incorporate gratitude into your daily routine. It adds that touch of elegance to your attitude and transforms the way you perceive the world. 4. Confidence couture. Confidence is the ultimate style statement. It's like that classic black dress that never goes out of fashion. But how do we cultivate it? Stand tall, speak positively to yourself, and embrace challenges. Confidence is contagious, and it will influence how others perceive you. 5. Empathy elegance. No attitude ensemble is complete without empathy. It's the elegance that truly sets you apart. Practice active listening, understand others' perspectives, and offer support when needed. Your empathetic attitude will inspire others and strengthen your connections. And there you have it, the art of styling your attitude for an influential life. Remember, just like fashion, attitude is a form of self-expression. Choose the pieces that reflect the best version of yourself. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Let's inspire a stylish attitude revolution together. This is Pure Positivity Hub, signing off. Stay stylish, stay positive.